नो वर्ल्ड टोबैको डे 31 मई को आईएमए की ओर से सभी नागरिकों से अपील करता हूं कि तंबाकू से दूर रहें, एक स्वस्थ जीवन शैली अपनाएं। हम सब जानते हैं कि जिंदगी एक बहुत खूबसूरत यात्रा है, इसे यूं ही न गंवाएं। तंबाकू न केवल कैंसर बीमारी, हृदय रोग और फेफड़ों को खराब करता है, बल्कि हमारे समाज पे आर्थिक बोझ भी डालता है। हम सब जानते हैं कि आज बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां हमारे युवाओं और समाज के निचले वर्ग के लोगों को तंबाकू के प्रति अति प्रभावित करते हैं। तो इसलिए यह हमारा कर्तव्य बन जाता है कि हम अपने समाज के सभी वर्गों को इसके प्रति जागरूक करें। आईएमए हमेशा से स्वास्थ्य के क्षेत्र में हर स्तर पर तंबाकू नियंत्रण के प्रयासों को मजबूती से समर्थन करता रहा है और करता रहेगा। आइए हम सब मिलकर यह संकल्प लें कि हम न केवल स्वयं तंबाकू से दूर रहेंगे, बल्कि दूसरों को भी इसके खिलाफ जागरूक करेंगे। आप सबों का दिन अच्छा हो। आप सभी अपने जीवन में स्वस्थ रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें और अपने जीवन में व्यस्त रहें। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Nicotine and tobacco products are highly addictive and designed to sustain use, trapping users in the cycle of dependence. Additives mask the harshness of tobacco, making it easier to start and harder to quit. No more candy coating. Remove the appeal of these products through stricter regulation is essential to protecting the current and future generations from harm. Don't let the tobacco and nicotine industries trick people with the playbook. Let's stand together and make it crystal clear. No more tricks, no more traps.
An estimated 37 million children aged between 13 to 15 years worldwide use tobacco. In many countries, the rate of e-cigarette use of young people exceeds that of adults. Marketing contents promoting e-cigarette, nicotine pouches and heated tobacco product has been viewed more than 3.4 billion times on social media platforms.
Nicotine and tobacco are very addictive and harmful. These products are designed to look very appealing, but they can steal your freedom, damage your health, and control your future. You people are the most empowered and informed generation of today's time. Use that strength to see through the manipulation and, of course, choose clarity over illusion, health over hype.
Early exposure to tobacco and nicotine often leads to rapid and long-lasting dependency in young adolescents. When addiction begins at young age, it can alter brain development, making it harder for them to quit and increasing the risk of lifelong use among these young adolescents. Young users quickly develop tolerance and dependence, trapping them into a cycle of addiction that affects their physical health as well as long-term future potential.
As clinicians, we see these patients, not only patients with lung cancers and COPD, but with heart attacks, paralysis, stillbirths, and countless other complications.
More number of youngsters are drawn in, unaware of the long-term side effects of these products like dependency, impaired brain function, and increased risk of chronic diseases as dangerous as cancers. This calculated propagation is not innovation, it is manipulation, resulting in devastating health of the youth.
By the fancy packaging and polished ads, tobacco and nicotine products are anything but glamorous. These campaigns are designed to hook you young, using flavors, colors and influences to disguise the harm. Remember, addiction doesn't start with a warning, it starts with a lie. Stay alert, stay informed, and don't let stick marketing steal your health and freedom. Your choices today shape your tomorrow.
Tobacco and nicotine industries use insidious strategies to make the harmful products appealing, especially to young people. Manipulative product designs, attractive flavors, glamorized marketing create a false sense of security and evoke desirability. We need to break the illusion.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, इस नो टोबैको दिवस पे खुद से एक वादा करिए कि हम स्मोकिंग नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि स्मोकिंग से आपको पता है लंग कैंसर तो होता ही है, इसके अलावा हार्ट अटैक, ब्रेन स्ट्रोक और इम्पोर्टेंसी जैसी कई बीमारियां होती है। तो इस दिवस पे हम सभी मिलकर एक शपथ लेंगे कि हम अपनी हेल्थ को चूज करेंगे, स्मोकिंग को नहीं।
तंबाखू व इतर तंबाखूजन्य पदार्थ म्हणजे बीडी, सिगरेट, खैनी ह्या आरोग्यासाठी खूप हानिकारक गोष्टी आहेत। त्याच्या सवयीमुळे तुम्हाला शारीरिक, मानसिक, कौटुंबिक तसेच व्यावहारिक पातळीवर खूप नुकसान होऊ शकते। म्हणून माझ्या तरुण मित्रांना हात जोडून विनंती आहे की आजच तंबाखूचे व्यसन सोडा।
From smoking cigarettes to chewing tobacco to the inhalation of secondhand smoke to the inhalation of hookahs, tobacco abuse is on the rise. The elderly are thinking wisely and letting it go.
Say no to tobacco.
Bright products but dark intentions. Say no to tobacco.
Say no to all nicotine products.
To quit smoking.
Quit tobacco and be healthy.
Quit smoking.
Say no to tobacco, yes to life.
Your health is your wealth. Say no to tobacco.
Here's team IMA Meera Bhander with you always. Quit tobacco, choose life. Every breath counts. Every decision matters. Let's create a healthier, tobacco-free world. Thank you.